Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stages of the nail design we're going to be working on this week, and I painted my nails with a black nail polish. I did like a black French manicure. For my pinky, my thumb, and my middle finger, I just did it just a regular black French manicure. For my pointer finger and my ring finger, I just kind of side swipe some black nail polish on. The black nail polish that I use is actually by Wet n Wild Shine. It's just a black nail polish. I think this one is called Black Cream. And this is a really pretty black nail polish. It has a shine to it and everything already. So I just applied this on my nails. The rest of the design I'll be using acrylic water paints. And I just use white water paint to do that with. And I'm also going to be adding some crystals on my nails. I have some 6SS jet black crystals. I also have some size 6SS. These are crystal clear. And I'm going to be using a pearl. I don't know the size of these pearls, but I have some pearls. I'm going to use one in the center of the design. I'm just going to alternate how I place them on my nails. So next I'm going to take my striping brush and I'm just going to add some white stripes in the black area on my nails. So that is basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.